This BMCC OpenLab video tutorial will take you through the steps of writing a WordPress post. And we'll do that in the format of an announcement on a course site. To begin, I am starting in the course profile. And the first thing I want to do is go to the site by clicking Visit Course Site on the right. The next thing I'm going to do to get us set up is to take the approach of opening the dashboard, which is the back end of the site, in a separate tab from this front end. I like to hover the mouse over the title, right-click, open in a new tab, and then the second tab at the top of the browser shows the dashboard, which is where we can make changes to the site. The last thing I'm going to do for setup is to drag the dashboard tab to the left, and that means that the front end of the site will now be in the tab on the right. So to create my post, I click on the tab that takes me to the dashboard of the site. On the left, go to Posts and then Add New. From here, the default is to start by creating a title. So we can type something like Next, I need to create the body of my post. So I'm going to click right here next to that plus sign, and this creates a text box. Just a side note here that we're working in the block editor, which is currently the default editor that you get when you write a post in a site on the OpenLab. The next thing that I need to do is choose the category for my post. Over on the right side here, I look for the category, and if I don't see it, click on Document. And then when you scroll down a bit, you'll see an area for categories. This arrow here may be closed shut, and if that's the case, just click the drop-down arrow to open up the category options. And again, because this is a class announcement, I'm going to choose the announcement category. This has been created for us already in the template of the course on the OpenLab. In the future, you can add new categories for different posts, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with the announcement category. The next step is to publish, which is this blue button here on the right. Click Publish one more time. Now I'm going to navigate to the front end of the site by clicking the tab on the right. And from here, when I visit the Posts page on the course site, my welcome announcement appears.